September is a crazy month for TLV. So many new release from TLV just for this month, and it's really damaging on the wallet. I'm also very amazed by the box of the Mitsubishi Pajero. I think this is the first time that TLV has come up with such an odd size dimension catered to just the Mitsubishi Pajero. Apart from the Pajero, there's 3 other castings: the Evo Lancer 6, the Honda Civic EG, and also the Datsun Bluebird. Instead of a long compilation, I shall break this up into small bite-sized videos, starting with the Evo Lancer 6. The Evo Lancer 6 is the release after the Evo Lancer 5, which I did a review. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the Evo Lancer 6. Wow, it's really nice. I love the body color. The blue is very saturated and very refreshing. It's very striking on the eye as well, and that's great. Needless to say about the details, as coming from TLV, and just like the Evo Lancer 5, it comes pre-installed with a side mirror as well, and that's great. That's how it should be for every TLV, I hope. Needless to say, the details are hyper realistic and they speak for themselves. For TLV, I have no problem doing a close-up shot. It's always so finished as compared with others. The TLV really commands on high quality and also functionality. This is one model car that rolls very fast compared with others that can't even move an inch. But for the base, the typo error still stays, just like the Evo Lancer 5 because they share the same base. You can see the Evolution typo error, and I'm surprised that TLV never addressed this. Next is the Evo VI with color variation. The body color comes in black with pearlized textures on it. Although I do prefer a much more solid black for the Evo in high gloss finish, but this casting still impressed me with such details. Apart from the body color, everything is the same as compared with the blue. And in terms of functionality, there's no problem. Just look at the speed. Overall, the Evo is very impressive. It's welcomed by many collectors, including me. And I hope that TLV will come up with more variation for the Evo Lancer family. More videos coming right up. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.